Hello there. So how to remove a beard in a photo using AI. For this one, I'm going to utilize Firefly by Adobe. So once you're in here, basically click on image right there. Now there is an option or a feature rather called generative fill. Click on that one and this is how it should look like. I already have a photo that I have in mind here, this guy right there. So I'm going to click on get started, remove that one right there, and that guy has a beard, right? So the only thing I'm going to do right now is reduce the brush size because I want to focus just for the beard. I'm going to go with this one right there. And then I'm just going to make sure I hit every line there and afraid not to really touch his face or skin. I'm just going to focus solely on the beard. What if I'm just going to reduce this one more to focus as well on the mustache? You can leave the mustache if you want, but for now, I'm going to target all facial hair. And with this one, I can instantly type in subtract, enter the prompt right there, remove beard, and basically click on generate. It will give me 3 options for this one. As you can see right there, it's currently loading. I'll get back to you once it's here. Hello there, welcome back to the video. With this one, we have 3 results. And the best one right there would be the first one. And that should do it.